In this video, we are going to see a very interesting feature in Microsoft Outlook, and that is of direct replies to. What you can do is, let's say that your different departments send the emails to your client. Let's say the sales department, HR department, marketing department, whatever. But whenever the client receives the email and they want to reply on it, let's say that we want them to always send this to admin. So even though they have responded on the sales@gmail.com, whenever they click on reply, the address will automatically be changed to admin@gmail.com. And that happens even if the client is using some other email provider, not Outlook. Let me show you how. Just go to options and click on direct replies to, and let's say that have replies sent to, we wanna mention here this email ID, whatever it is. Click on close. Just make sure the settings are intact. And let's say this is the client email. Direct replies to test. Click on send. Here we have received this email. We want to reply on it. Click on it. And as we can see that it is sent from this particular email address, but as soon as we click on reply, the reply should be sent to the other email address that we mentioned. You can see here, even though we were working on Gmail, we received the email from this particular sender, but whenever we click on a simple reply option, it is automatically set to the other email. Let's just see again. Go here, delete this, click on reply, and it will automatically change the other email. So whenever the client wants to respond, they will all be collected on a single email, and that makes it very effective to manage all the conversation from the client, no matter how many times different salesperson or let's say different staff members have contacted them. All of them will be accumulated on the main email. So that's how you use it. A very effective function. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.